Hello folks, well we're going to do this unusual CPT radio. I've never seen one before, but then I've only been doing this 40 odd years. It's marked in the instruction book that it was purchased in 1992, which I can well believe, but it could well have been on the market a little bit earlier than that. So it's an approved PR27GB radio, so it's 40 channel CEPT FM only. So we'll be selling this because I've no interest in CPT radios. It's in its box. It's as new. I think it was a return because I've had to change the crystal filter in it. So there we go. And it's still got the plastic on the front here, which I tell you what, we'll just peel it to one. We'll take it off initially. It's not sticky. It's kind of cling filmy. So I'll go to Mega Chippie channel. And let's hope CPT can actually be used, because it doesn't work very well for us in this area. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Hopefully that's the right one. Roger, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. So running with the factory original mic, I don't have a standard replacement mic wired for this radio, because I like to use a standard replacement, then we compare at the end.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio with no tone control.
Roger. Pass the end of the lane onto main road.
Roger on that, and at this time we've got no interference on this band, which is unusual.
Oh, well, it keeps opening up, the squash keeps opening up, but there you go.
Roger, well if it becomes anything bothersome we can always change channel.
Roger.
Right, past the end of the lane onto the main road.
Roger on that, and at this time we've got no interference on this band, which is unusual.
Oh, well, it keeps opening up, the squash keeps opening up, but there you go.
Roger, well if it becomes anything bothersome we can always change channel.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station 135.9, 145.9.
I can't remember whether that's good or bad at the moment.
No, it's not good, it's gone up by 2p, it was 133.9 last time I was.
I was in the post office yesterday dropping some parcels off, and the gentleman in front of me was buying some cigarettes, and they're the ones I used to get for that lady who ended up playing the organ for a funeral for. Anyway, she used to have these Super King Benson edges things, and I think they were £7 something a packet, and they were £16, and I think the shopkeeper said they had been 15, they went up to 16 yesterday with the budget.
Yep, Roger, it's certainly something I can't afford to do these days. Right, we're square wheel Doncaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Well, you packed that game in years ago.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, well, I've got you loud and clear, but I've also got interference, so we'll change channel. I'm on a Danita.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, well, I've got you loud and clear, but I've also got interference, so we'll change channel. I'm on a Danita.
On a Danita Mark III. That's what it is, a Danita Mark III. So 441 on the factory original microphone. So I'll go looking for a channel.
Yeah, roger that, I'll receive, no problems.
Roger. Chippie 37 seems to be better at the moment.
Roger that, just going out on Wilsford level crossing. I'll go to 37.
Looks like you're going over. Tango 21.
Yep, we've done that. Loud and clear.
Roger on that. Alice.
Oh dear. Well, get back as soon as you can. Passing the Kelby turn. Over. Yeah, roger that. We've done Kelby turn. I did shout out, obviously. You were
Roger that. It's just about that hospital thing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, and at least the radio channel has held up. This demonstrates the difficulty of using CEPT in this area. We don't have low power, so we're doing full 4 watt output. The radio is drawing 1.2 amps. I'm on the factory original microphone. That's it. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
And what's the audio like on this set?
Yeah, it's okay. It's nice.
That's fine. Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the move again.
Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Level crossing, is there a special price for me to go? That's please over.
Yep, 139.9 and 149.7.
Roger that, radio worked great, the channel didn't. So thanks for that, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango, anyone from Mr. Chippie? Where?
Tango 21, we've now got interference on this channel. Yes, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Is there a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 149.9 and 149.7.
Roger that, radio worked great, the channel didn't. So thanks for that, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
So there we go. Again, look at the difficulty we have trying to find a clear channel because of foreign interference. And that foreign interference might be what some people are interested in. But considering CB radio in the UK is supposed to be up to 16 kilometres in range, that's all I'm interested in. And I don't want to have foreign interference, which makes this set of channels no use or interest to me in this area. So we're going to go over to it'll be our Uniden Pro 620 base station. Remember, that's on a mag mount, so there's going to be a hum. The radio doesn't hum. So we'll go over to the base station. I just want to see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Danita Mk. Had to think about that into our Pro 620 Uniden base station using the standard factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there we have it. Not sure what we've got next. This will be one of the trucking and farming sets. I know there's an 80-channel team base station of his to do and something else I can't remember. So thanks for watching and catch you on the next video.